Maganda umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Sagittarius with the fire elements. Lala Baby nagpapakilala, isang like, subscribes, and share lang po. So let's see your energy for the whole month of April. Okay? So narito ang tinatawag na the five of cups. Yan ha, okay. So, what about the five of cups? It's like nakikita dito kampante ka. It's like you have a good relationship with your family. Okay? It's like para kayong isang tribe, 'di ba? Nagkakasundo-sundo. Ibig sabihin nito, meron kayong tinatawag ka soulmate, 'di ba? Yan. So, yan lang ang nakikita ko, ha? Okay, so nagbalentong reverse ang tinatawag na the page of the page of swords. You need to ground yourself, di ba? Whatever is this, it's like merong mga tinatawag na, it's like a girl fight, okay? Or yung tinatawag na argumento, there is a argument or a physical fight, o yung tinatawag na atwar, kalituhan, kaguluhan, o kaya a competition. So you have to ground yourself, okay? Narito ang tinatawag na the Seven of Swords. Yan, okay. What is the Seven of Swords in a relationship, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, people saying that you are special. You are so very, very special. It's like someone will do anything for you. Okay? And ito yung tinatawag na this person meant what she said. Okay? They meant what they said. Okay? Yan. So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Two of Swords. So, ibig sabihin nito, meron kayong tinatawag na soulmate. Yan ha, meron ka soulmate. Pero meron dito tinatawag rejection. Sino itong, it's like merong nag-reject. Okay? Yan, bawat sabihin natin may nag-express ng kanilang emotion, di ba? Ni-reject. Kayo ba ang nag-reject o kayo ang ni-reject? Yan ha? Okay. So, yan, yun lang yung nakikita ko. Di ba? It's like tinatawag, hindi tayo soulmate, di ba? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the justice, the libra. Okay? So, it's more about making it focused. Okay? Yan. Getting it. Okay? What is getting? It's more about ang nakikita ko dito tinatawag na this person is kasi it's like they are trying hard, di ba? It's very, very natural, okay? It's like meron dito yung tinatawag na clout hungry, okay? O yung let's say sabihin na natin nagpapapansin. Yan ha, kasi dito siya, okay? Dito siya, yan, nagpapapansin, di ba? Papansin, halimbawa, nagpo-post sa social media para lang mapansin siya. It's like, clout hungry. Kulang sa pansin. Yan, ha? So, meron dito, it's like tinatawag, they are ready na. Okay? Maybe they are ready na for a family, to build a family, di ba? They are ready na sa tinatawag na fight or tinatawag competition, di ba? They are ready na for a relationship or whatever is this. It's like a competition, di ba? Yan. Okay. It's like they are ready to face their opponents. Okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag 369. Okay? The nine of ano ito? The nine of cups yan, ha? Okay? So, ibig sabihin nitong the nine of cups na ito is gains. Okay? Either ito family business, family, or network. Okay? Maybe it's a business. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, it's raining na. Yan o, kita ninyo. Raining. Okay? It's raining na. Yan o, kita ninyo. It's like kailangan mag-focus ka, di ba? More on, let's say, investment, a negosyo, a relationship, di ba? It's it's more about, ang nakikita ko dito you will get what you want. Diba? Yan, oh. Focus. It's more about focus. Kaya narito ang the Libra Justice. Okay? Yan. So, nakikita, making it rain. Okay? It's making possible. Okay? It's like tinatawag possible. Impossible becomes possible. Okay? So, ito na ha. Ito yung tinatawag na the Taurus. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, the Hierophant, there is a rejection. Okay? Rejection of laws, rejection of, it's like, siguro, ayaw nilang i-entertain or salungat sila, di ba? Sa laws, sa mga kasunduan, agreement, di ba? Sumasalungat. Yan ha, yan. Sumasalungat, di ba? Yan ang nakikita ko. Yan ha. So, ano pa? Wait ha. Yan na po nakikita ko. Sumasalungat siya. Halimbawa sa advice, sa opinion, di ba? So, there is a rejection. Di ba? Yan. Salungat. Sumasalungat. So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Fool. Ay, the Hangman. But the Hangman is already in a reverse position kasi ito ang upright, pero reversed, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na there is a whatever is this, okay? It's like there is a rejection, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, it's more on living. Yan ha? Yan. So, it's, let's say, sabihin na nating soulmate, di ba? It's like, hindi na siya relax, hindi na siya happy. So, they are moving away. Yan ang nakikita ko sa inyo, Sagittarius, okay? So, maybe, yung tinatawag na, you are ready na for a change, di ba? Yan ang nakikita ko. So, let's see. Maybe for a new relationship. Maybe sabihin na natin, hindi kay soulmate ng asawa mo. So, you are ready for a new, di ba? A new love or romance. Okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na make it rain. Yan, kita ninyo. Make it rain. Okay? Sandali yung aking, ang aking audio. Yan, ha? Okay? Pakinig paga. Yan, ang aking audio. Yan. Make it rain. Whatever is this, it has something to do about your career, business, money, finances. Make it rain. It will rain. Yan ha. So dito nakikita ha. It will rain. Okay? So let's see the energy, the advice from the universe para sa mga Sagittarius. I will use dice. Okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na number 7, okay? So, ito yung tinatawag na the Libra, okay? The Justice, okay? And this is your dragon head. Dragon na ito, ha? It's a dragon head, pero nakataas, reverse dragon tail, okay? So, ito yung tinatawag na, okay, sandali ha, because this is tinatawag na Aquarius, okay? Aquarius, yan ha. So, let's see, the Aquarius here, yan ha, okay? So, there is losses. Maybe for some of you, nakaranas ng tinatawag losses. So, it's about time. Ibig sabihin nito, whatever, okay? Yan. Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na magkakaroon, di ba? Ng tinatawag na abundance. Yan, makaka-recover. So, for some of you here, kaya ito, di ba? It's like the end of the cycle you are facing. You are ready, okay, for a new beginning, for a new cycle, for a new era. Di ba? Yan, oh. So, kung kaya nga ito yung tinatawag your dragon head, pero nakikita mo yung the tail is nakataas, di ba? So, naka-down yung dragon head, okay? It has something to do about your losses and now it's raining. Raining, ibig sabihin ito, a lot of money, abundance for you.